Hello and welcome to another Nikomedia. Let's say quick tip. It's a quick tip, Martin. I got a question from a patron how to change. So it had nothing to do with Cinema 4D. Uh, how to change a thumbnail or how to set a thumbnail for a YouTube short. And yeah, this is not so easy. So it's not so easy like with normal YouTube videos. So I want to show you this. This is my new channel with just experiments with my AI things and so. And here we have a short. And if we go inside here, we will see that means you can change the thumbnail in the mobile YouTube version, the mobile app. But you can't change it here on desktop. This is not possible. But you see, I have my thing here, and I want to show you how you can do this. In the mobile app, it's so I do it so I have my short, and on the very first frame of my short, I put in the picture of my thumbnail I want to use. So just one frame in this thing. You can do this with every video editor or something as I use here normally CapCut and then when you have this you can upload it. So I'll show you this. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go to my smartphone here, open the YouTube app. Blah, 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 blah. That needs a little bit. Open. Okay, here we are, and I go to my channel here and my videos, and here you see I have my short. And when I go here to edit, whoops, you see here we have a pencil, and that means we can change this thumbnail, but we only can change it from this video. So we can only take a frame from this video. That's the thing you see here. I have the whole video, but on the very first frame I have my thumbnail. So the whole video, I could use everything I want here, of course. So would be a nice thumbnail as well, but I always use the very first frame and then I have my thumbnail here. And as I said, to make this, you can use an editor, CapCut or something else. But I was so kind and thought, yeah, let's play again with AI, and I created a web app for this that you can make your shorts, thumbnail shorts things. You see here a video frame insert under my tools, Nikomedia tools, Nikomedia RT tools. And if you click on it, you see image video. So let's try this. I go to my thing here and let's try a video of my alien vlog here. A video, whoops, and a picture. Let's make the thumbnail of it. Whoops, and then a process image. And you see here I have this, and when I hit play, so on the very first frame there is a thumbnail. And of course you can now download this. Right click, uh, save video as, put it on my desktop here, speichern, save, and now I have it here. And we have seen it shortly. You get the frame here. So I think this is the easiest way you can do this. Yeah, this was the trick for YouTube uh, thumbnails for YouTube Shorts. I hope this helps you. I hope you like this, and if yes, then put a like, subscribe, and you know what you have to do if you want, of course. So Sunday evening, and I wish you a wonderful Sunday evening. Bye bye, and all the best here from Austria Vienna. Tschüss und Baba.